Alright, my first attempt at making camping home fries. Needs a little work, a little burnt, but English muffin, bacon, and an egg. That's my breakfast for today. And we got a little thunderstorm starting to come through here, so looks like we're eating indoors. Wish this weather would make up its mind. One minute it's raining, the next minute the sun's out. So we got through that thunderstorm, and now the sun's back out. Oh, I'm gonna grab my umbrella and bring that with me too. There we go, let's do that. Okay, I got the umbrella. It's good to have that with me here because the way the weather's been unstable today, who knows, the sky could open up again. I don't want to deal with that. So we gotta stop in, pay for another night of camping because this will be my last night here. Decided I'm definitely going to stay here all 3 nights. Ah, that a beautiful van. Oh, it's going to be so much better when I get all the solar panels and everything else on it. But it's getting some good charging today. Getting about 7 amps of charging current off those panels today. So I'm glad I brought those extra 20-watt panels with me. They're definitely helping. Can't wait till I have 400 watts of panels on the roof though. I'll pay for tonight. I'm going to go hike down, see those waterfalls, find some geocaches. Yeah, it should be a good day. That was the other end of that trail. Okay. Should be fun. Anyway, I'll catch you down the road a ways. Okay, we found one geocache. There's like 7 of them in this area. I skipped 2 of them because it required going through too much brush there, and I'm in shorts. I don't feel like bringing home any pet ticks. But I got one so far. We'll try to see if we can find a few more along the way here. Nice little view here though. The side of it turns back into a paved road over here. Interesting trail to follow though. See those falls and that. Nice waterfalls. I'm just working my way down to the end of the road here. There's actually a railroad crossing, so I'm going to check that out. And then I'm going to start working my way back. Put the video camera away, pull out the still camera, do some photography of the waterfalls and that. Of course, by the time I get back, there'll probably be people at the falls. So I won't be able to do my pictures, but it's the way it is. I should have done it while I had the chance. But anyway, all right, let's check out these tracks. Well, it'll be kind of interesting to follow those tracks, but I don't know. They don't look very active, but I'm sure occasionally a train goes through there. I've never heard one though. And these go right near the campground. Anyway, alright, well, like I said, I'm going to put the video camera away, pull out the still camera, do some photography of the Ammonoosuc River, and we're going to head back and have some lunch. So we'll catch you back at the campground. So that was a nice hike, and yeah, as expected, there was people swimming around the waterfall itself when I got there, so didn't get all the pictures I wanted, but hey, it gives me an excuse to come back in the fall. Anyway, now it's almost 3:30, but I'm still going to have my lunch anyway, because I'm kind of hungry. A little too early for dinner, a little late for lunch, but you know what? I'll just have a later dinner, that's all. Where am I going, right? So we're going to have some, well, we're going to actually have a spaghetti sandwich. So that's my plan, just a quick, simple spaghetti sandwich, believe it or not. A spaghetti and meatball sandwich. I just picked up this new pot for my camping setup. Picked it up at Ocean State Job Lots of all places. 12 bucks. It has a built-in strainer. I just keep the cover on there and I pull the stuff out. I'm always forgetting to bring a strainer with me, so now I've got a pot and a strainer all in one. So this is going to be its first use. We're going to try this out. Making a lot, so I don't need a lot of water here. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's see how this works. Also nice having a sink too. That's a good feature here. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Here we have pasta. I'm going to set that aside. Make up the sauce. This is the leftover sauce from the meatball sub I made the other day. And the leftover meatballs from the meatball sub. 1.5 meatballs left here. Put that in. I'm actually going to try to break the meatballs up a bit in there. food again, as typical. Leftovers for later, I guess. Oh. A bulky roll. Cutting. And partially cut. There we go. And some butter. Cheese. And a dog. Yep, I make messes. Alright, there we go. Oh boy. On camera too, no less. Get back in there. We had a small rainstorm just move through here while I was enjoying my tea. It was nice. Nice to listen to in the chair here, into my canopy. Well, the sun's coming back out again. Anyway, well, it's been another fun day here. Hitting up the waterfall down there. It's right down the road from here. It was about a 5-mile round trip to get down there and back, so that wasn't too bad. And had that spaghetti sandwich, that was good. I'm just kind of resting for a bit here and enjoying my tea for the evening here. So I guess we'll end the video here for tonight. Enjoy my tea, and well, thank everybody for watching. And remember, slow down and enjoy life, and we'll talk to you guys later. And enjoy your tea too.